Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see feature on Filmorago apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Filmorago apps, and then in here you can see this is a feature. This is a feature from Filmorago apps. You just click on you just click on more, this one, click on it, and then in here you can see many feature on Filmorago apps. You can use everything you like, and then so that's how to see feature on Filmorago apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.